Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chocolate chip marshmallow cookies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Also, prepare 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and about 1½ cups of mini marshmallows ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process for delightful treats. With ingredients ready, let's mix the dough. Cream softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 eggs one at a time, then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In another bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to the wet mixture until just combined. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. This creates a rich, flavorful base for our delicious cookies. Now for the fun part. Gently fold in about 1½ cups of mini marshmallows into your cookie dough. Be careful not to overmix. Next, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake your cookies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. The edges should be golden brown, and the centers will appear slightly soft. This ensures a perfectly chewy cookie with gooey marshmallow pockets. Once your delicious cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set up and prevents them from breaking. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. The marshmallows will be wonderfully gooey and melted when warm, creating an irresistible texture. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy these soft, chewy, and delightful treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.